Welcome friends, myself Dr. Uday Chandrakant Patil, and now we are going to study the concept of molecular symmetry. What are the different kinds of symmetry elements and how to determine its symmetry operations in this part 2. When you consider the symmetry, you can say there are number of symmetry elements, symmetry operations, how to find out symmetry, what type of symmetry elements and symmetry operations are present. All these are concept are we are discussed in video first. In the second video, we are going to study what are the symmetry element, how are the symmetry operations are drawn, constructed for each and every symmetry elements. So please like, share and subscribe the YouTube channel for the next videos. Friends, five kinds of symmetry elements and symmetry operations are required in specifying the molecular symmetry to determine the symmetry element and symmetry operation for a specific object, which is a molecular compound. When you're going to study the symmetry element, we can say that there are number of symmetry elements are present, that is the center of symmetry or center of inversion, which is symbolically present as I. Then the proper rotation axis symbolically designated as Cn, mirror plane sigma, improper rotational axis of symmetry or improper rotation axis Sn, then the identity E. By using this symmetry element, we can say that whether the molecule is symmetric or asymmetric. In this way, we can identify the molecular symmetry for each and every entity of the molecule. First, we are going to study the center of symmetry or the center of inversion, or it is also called as the inversion center. What do you mean by the inversion center? The inversion operation projects each atom through the center of the inversion and across to the other side of the molecule. If a molecule can be brought into equivalent configuration by changing the coordinates, its x, y and z for each and every atom, where the origin of the coordinate lies at a point within the molecule and then get converted into x minus y or minus z, then the point at which the origin lies is set to a center of symmetry or the center of inversion. This is the definition. When you consider how to determine the center of inversion, simply then you can say that consider any imaginary point at the center of the molecule. Consider this is the center of the molecule, that is the PT, and draw a imaginary line in opposite direction from the imaginary point. When you draw a dotted line in this way, we can get here a atom, that is Cl. In opposite direction, when you draw subsequent line, we get here the NH3. According to definition, we can say that when you consider any imaginary point at the center of the molecule and drawing the imaginary lines in opposite direction, when you get equal atoms or equal group of atoms at equidistant, then we can say that there is a presence of center of inversion or center of symmetry or inversion center. But here we can say that for the cis inversion of platinum is the center. In one side there is a lies Cl atom, while in opposite direction there is a presence of ammonia. Therefore these are not equal atoms. Therefore we can say that for this cis transition there is no inversion is present. Whether in trans molecule, when you consider the platinum is the center of the molecule, here is the imaginary point, and when you draw imaginary line in one direction, we get Cl atom, in another direction we get another Cl atom in equidistance in opposite direction from the imaginary center we get the Cl atom which is the equal atom which is lies at equidistant from the center of the imaginary center. Therefore we can say that in transition we can say there is a inversion center is present. Or we consider the benzene. Benzene here is the our imaginary center present at the center of the molecule. And when you draw imaginary line in one direction, we can get here CH. And in another direction, when we draw the subsequent lines, here we get the CH atoms. The CH atom lies in opposite direction at equidistance. Therefore, we can say that the inversion center I is present for the benzene molecule. Here again we can say that this type of subsequent lines we can draw. Here again we can get CH. In another direction again we can get CH. And we can say that there is a present of inversion center. So in simply, we can say that consider any imaginary point at the center of the molecule, draw imaginary line in opposite direction, and when you get equal atoms or equal group of atoms at equidistance in opposite direction, then we can say that there is a presence of inversion, center of inversion. Simply we can say that there is a inversion center present in the molecule and we can designate it by the symbol I. Here again we can consider one is the trans dichloroethylene and this is the cis dichloroethylene. When you here is our inversion center point, imaginary point. When you draw imaginary line in one side we can get Cl, in opposite direction again we get the Cl atom, or in other way we can get here H atom, in other direction we get here again H atom. The trans dichloroethylene, we can say that there is an inversion center is present. Whereas in trans molecule, when you consider in one direction at equal distance, we get the hydrogen atom, whereas from the center of the molecule, imaginary point, in another direction we get Cl atom. Both are different. Therefore, we can say that I is absent for cis and I is present for trans molecules. By considering a different example, that is the platinum tetrachloride, the I is present because platinum is the center of the molecule, and in opposite direction we can say that the Cl is present. Therefore, we can say that platinum tetrachloride ion is having inversion center. Benzene is also having inversion center. Sulfur hexafluoride is also having inversion center. Thank you, student. Thank you for watching me. If you have any queries for this video, please comment in the comment box. And in next video, we are going to study the point group, different types of point group and different examples, how to determine the point group for the given example by using the set of symmetry element and symmetry operation, how to construct, how to draw the symmetry operations. Thank you.